Hi. Already we learned skimming in the previous class. Let us know now about scanning. What is scanning? Scanning refers to the ability to locate specific information of facts as quickly as possible. So it helps us to know particular information or fact very fast. That is the technique of scanning. So how do you use this? It's important rapid reading technique. So it is a very rapid reading. Maybe suddenly if you want a little information from a huge text, you can use this technique, which provides better comprehension while reading a scientific or technical text. So for story reading and all, maybe it is difficult to use, but for scientific and technical tests, if you are checking for some information, you want to verify some information, the scanning helps a lot. While trying to look for the meaning of a word in the dictionary or looking for a telephone number in the telephone directory. So if you want a specific information only, it's very useful. So you want particular meaning. So if you are going through the pages of the dictionary, it is waste of time. So you can easily scan. So just very fast, yeah, what are the word you are looking? So there you can go and check the meaning. So instead of reading everything, even telephone directory. So when you want a telephone number, suddenly you can just scan. So again, you can easily fast and you can identify the telephone number you want to take. Scanning may serve several purposes which include. So what are the purposes of scanning? As we already know that for a specific information or fact in a particular text. So while scanning, you can get a specific point or a specific fact in a particular text where you are looking for. It is also and maybe if I want to check any relevant graph, so there are maybe number of graphs are there. So you're scanning so that you know that what is the relevant scan for you or graphic details. You can see any picture you want checking for or any kind of graph you are looking for, you can select it. A formula in a text. So if you are looking for a particular formula, if you are going on reading the book, it is not useful. So if you are using the skill of the scanning, so you can simply just very fast you can where actually the formula is there. So a train or television schedule. So when the schedules are mentioned, so you can simply look at it scanning. So instead of reading loudly or maybe so getting all the information, you can set maybe particular destination is suppose you want to go to Hyderabad and you're waiting for a particular train. So train number. So with that train number you can scan, or else maybe name of the train you can scan the details. And when the train is going to come. So, and biographical listings. So, any biographical listings are there. So, when which scientist are you are searching for his biography. So, you can search by the name very fast. You can scan and you can get it. And then mostly it is very useful while you are checking your examination results. You know that your hall ticket number. So, using that, maybe you'll be scanning very fast to find out the particular number, roll number is there, in which what is the percentage against that number, you can easily know. So scanning is useful in these kind of things. So how scanning refers to ability to locate specific information of facts as quickly as possible. It is important rapid reading technique. Already we have discussed some examples. What are the uses? So which provides better comprehension via scientific or technical tests. Meaning in a word dictionary, telephone number in the telephone directory. It is an important purpose of scanning should be known, not to read everything. So what are the precautions you have to take while doing the scanning? What is the method you need to use? You need not read everything. So what actually you want to get that information only how to scan. So not to read everything. How know the organization of the material to be read. So if you don't know how to organize the text, So maybe you are going on reading everything. So it is not comes under scanning. So you have to first organize the material. So if you are looking for the results, so you have to open the results file. So maybe you should know how to organize the file. So according to the branches like that. So you have to organize, then only you can start scanning. Use guides and aids. So some kind of maybe you guide means it is not any textbook guide or something, it is some kind of guidelines, and maybe you need some kind of help. So you want to find out that, and maybe if you are looking for a meaning in the dictionary, so you if you are if the words are very uh, closely and small, then you can use some kind of aid, so a kind of magnifying glass, so it's very fast. So maybe some kind of guide if you are looking for a math table, so answer. So you need a mathematical table book for you. So that kind of aids and you need, and concentrate while scanning. It's very, very important. You have to highly focused and concentrated while checking for the information. Scanning speed can be increased by regular practice. So if you are going on practicing, what will happen? Your scanning skills will be improving and you will become a good uh, scanner, so you can get information, so you can get all the benefits of scanning. So if you see that, maybe I'll just go back and say what we are talking about. uh, Scanning, ability to locate specific information, rapid reading technique, just summing up and meaning of the whole dictionary we are looking for and telephone directory it is useful, and maybe specific fact in a textbook you can check, relevant graphic details, a formula in a textbook, trainer television schedules, all these are uses, examination results, any biographical listings, uh, and it is very important. It provides comprehension techniques and scientific reading of the technical test. So when you are it can be used when you are using for a telephone number. So not to read everything. So scanning, you have to remember some precautions you need to take. And you know, organization of the material to bits, how to organize the material you are going to do. And you take the help of some kind of guides and aids like mathematical or table phone directory, whatever you want to look for that you need. And what you need, high concentration. And it is increased by regular practice and better concentration. Thank you.